everyone, I'm here today with a Empties video. I don't know how I accumulate so much. I guess the last one I filmed was December or January, and it was stuff from like a whole year. So this is stuff that I was like still finishing right around that time to recently. It's now almost mid-March. So I have some great empties. If you are new, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video and decided to stay a while. Hit that subscribe button and let's get into all my trash. I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out. I tend to go through like finish all my skincare at the same time because I just stick with products until they're gone. I'm not hopping back and forth between products like I used to do. And I feel like that's how I finish stuff so much quicker than in the past, is because I just constantly like use it until it's gone. Okay, why are we? Okay, there we go. That's a little more centered. Okay, let's start going. Living Proof Dry Shampoo, favorite dry shampoo of all time. We'll continue to repurchase. I have a couple more in my pantry pantry. It's not with my food. It's in my beauty pantry, which I'm trying to get all the stuff out of the hall closet and just have all my hair care, skincare, body care like in my bathroom. So I've really been working through a ton of stuff and trying not to buy anything new until we've cleared out that closet. Okay, the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. I really like this. It's great for adding volume and texture to your hair. I'm currently using one from Kenra that I really like, but I do love this one and I would repurchase it again. I've gone through a few of those. I have my wipes, Kirkland wipes. I always have those on hand. I don't use them to remove my makeup very often, mainly swatches and that kind of stuff. Okay, I have two different shower gels. This is hot cocoa and cream. This is probably 2 years old. The Snowy Citrus Swirl. You guys, I'm using up all my back stock of all my stuff I had from when I moved here, and I'm just moved into this house over a year ago and I'm trying to use it all up. So those were nice. I purchased in a Target haul some new body washes because I think I only have one body wash left. That's a Bath & Body Works. I just don't know if that's drying out my skin or what it is, but my skin gets so dry. So I'm trying something else. If you guys have a body wash that you find really hydrating, let me know. Okay, I started getting this stuff from Dr. Zenovia, which I've never heard of them or heard anyone talk about them, but somehow I started getting their PR, and this is the Vitamin C Brightening Toner, and I really liked it. It's a very like plush packaging, like this is heavy. I thought it was really nice. It did a great job of like kind of brightening my skin, getting anything out of my pores, unclogging my pores, and I really liked it. So I'd be interested in seeing how much this cost. Oh, shake before using. I don't know if I shook it before using it now that I think about it. Whoopsie. I liked it anyways. And the packaging is super luxe. So I don't know how much this costs, so I'll look, and if it's astronomically expensive, I probably wouldn't repurchase it. But if it's fairly inexpensive, then yeah, I'd buy that again. Okay, cleansing oil. Do I have more than one? I have another one of these wipes. The Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse. I love this cleansing oil. I'm almost done with another one. I probably have maybe a week's worth of use left, and I really like it. It's one of my favorite cleansers, so I'll definitely repurchase that. Fourth Ray AM to PM cleanser. I'm not picky on my cleansers. I like cleansing oils, and to be honest, I really just use a cleansing oil and then tone. I don't double cleanse with a regular cleanser. I probably should. So Ted actually used this, and I'm sure he thought it was fine. I am not picky on cleansers though, not in the slightest. I finished up two. Is there two or is there more? We'll never know. Oh, I found another one of these. So 3 of those. I think I had a bunch of half-used ones. Oh, and we have another Living Proof dry shampoo. Okay, I have 2 of the Bondi Sands tanning oil. It's my favorite. It's what I use all the time. So yes, I'll repurchase those. I have about 4 of them in my closet. This Pink Palm body spray by Good Chemistry. I got this at Target. I really liked this. I like to use like a body spray before I go to the gym instead of like a perfume. I don't know. I just like, I've always put body splash or body spray on for the gym. Just what I do. Dragon fruit, magnolia, and sugared vanilla. And I thought it was really nice. I'm using one called Queen Bee right now. And I really like those. They're very light. It's not offensive, but I don't want to ever smell like BO, even if I'm at the gym. So that's why I use it. The Medica Dry Shampoo Perk Up, I really liked this. I would definitely buy it again. Although the dry shampoo by this one is just my favorite. This is from Design Me Powder Dry Blow Dry Lotion. I really like this. It just helps speed up the time for blow drying your hair. When I got my extensions in, not this time, but the time before that, the girl that was doing them actually like gave me this little gift bag and that was in there, and I really like that. So I'm not too sure where you can get it, but it's very nice. This Kerastase mask, I think I was sent this because I don't think I've ever bought a Kerastase mask. So this has been sitting in my closet. It was nice. Again, not super picky about hair masks unless they make my hair tangly. So it was really nice, but I think this is a pretty expensive brand. So I have a bunch of them. If you need one, that one's nice, but I won't be buying any new masks for a while. This is the Skin Effects Calm and Rejuvenate Eye Cream. This was sent in PR at some point. I don't know why I smelled it. It was an okay eye cream. I wouldn't go out of my way to buy it, but it was nice. I used it, but I like my It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eyes better. The Sephora Eye Makeup Remover. This is the waterproof one. I've got lashes on it. I always have this on hand. It's my favorite. The Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion. This was nice. This was sent to me in PR. It was nice, but if I need a microdermabrasion type scrub, I like the Dermae Microderm Scrub better. Moroccan, this is their hand cream. I really liked this. This was sent to me in PR. It smells divine. If I need a hand cream, this I would definitely repurchase because I thought it was incredibly hydrating without being oily or sticky on the hands. Okay, I don't know. Private Doctor. This was sent in PR. I don't know how much this is or much about this brand. It's the Define Minus Serum to minimize lines and create definition. I thought it was nice. The packaging is super cool. I don't know how expensive it is. It's more of a liquidy serum, and I thought it was nice at like kind of plumping the skin. So if it's not super expensive, I would definitely consider purchasing it again. I have a lot of serums that I'm working through, but I did really like that one. This I love, the Caviar Volume Mist. This is great for adding volume to your hair when it's wet and then blow drying it. So I definitely want to repurchase this. I'm in need of a very good root lifter. So if you have one, please let me know down in the comments which one you are loving. Okay, this is the Dermae Anti-Blemish BiPhase Toner. It had two different like solutions and then you shook them up and used them. It was nice. I don't like this glass jar though. I found it was like a little bit hard to get the product out, and I don't know, for some reason I just didn't like the glass. I felt like it just is, I don't know, it looks nice, but I don't know. I don't know why I didn't like the glass, okay? I'm sure most of you guys would love it, but for me, I was like terrified I was gonna break it on my bathroom floor. Okay, this is the Wild Rose by Kors Vitamin C Brightening Sleep Facial. I loved this. It smells amazing. It reminds me of like the Rose Argan body conditioner from Lush. I have the day cream of this too, and then some other product. It was sent to me in PR. I really liked that night cream. If I needed a new night cream, that would definitely be on my list. This is the Honest Calm and Perfect Serum. I'm pretty sure this was sent in PR as well. And it was nice, but I don't know if I would run out to repurchase that anytime soon. Calm and Perfect. I don't feel like it calmed my skin, and I don't feel like it did anything to my pores, but it was nice and I used it. Okay, this is the Way Dry Shampoo Foam. This doesn't work. It's almost full. I would not repurchase that. Any other skincare? I had the Skin Medica Pigment Correcting Serum. I really liked this. I felt like it just kind of, it's not, well, there's nothing left in there. It's just clear, but I felt like it just kind of like, I don't know, blurred my face a little bit. So I liked that one. I don't know how much that costs, again, sent in PR, and it was nice though. Okay, this is caffeine, oh, the Ordinary Caffeine Eye thing. I've had this for too long, so I think it's gone bad. So clearly I didn't use it. I don't love this method for eye cream or like an eye serum. If you guys like it, let me know. Am I missing out? But it smelled funny, so I stopped using it. I just finished this one this morning. This is the Glam Glow Bright Eyes I love this. It has like a little pearlescent glow for under the eyes, and it's super hydrating. So this would be one that I'd repurchase again. I did buy that one quite a while ago. This I will not be buying again. The Sisely $200 and something primer. It's okay, but I mean, my Urban Decay All-Nighter Primer works exactly the same. So this was just way too expensive. I just can't even believe that I bought it. What an idiot. Way too expensive for a primer. I know there's a lot of YouTubers that just love it, but I like $200. What was I thinking? Okay, I have the Kat Von D eyebrow pencil. I actually really like this one. This one's in the shade light brown. It was very nice. There's just so many good drugstore ones that you just don't really need to buy high-end. Wet n Wild breakup proof liquid liner, my favorite. I've already repurchased. The Makeup Revolution Renaissance Flick. This one's okay, but now that I have the Wet n Wild, I won't be repurchasing that. This Ico one was sent to me, never liked it. The It Cosmetics Universal Taupe Brow Pencil is nice. I have a ton of them that they've sent me. Brow Beater, I really like their pencil as well. But again, there's a lot of drugstore ones, so you don't necessarily need to buy the high-end ones unless you want to. Boots number 7 powder. This is in the shade Light. I used this to set under my eyes. Very nice. Somewhat comparable to the Charlotte Tilbury one, although I like the Charlotte Tilbury one better. I would repurchase this. I'm using shade 2 right now as an all-over setting powder, but I really like this, the Infallible Loose powder. I've gone through 2 or 3 of these. This is great for all over your face or under your eyes, so I'll definitely be repurchasing that. CoverGirl Clean Fresh. This was okay. I didn't love it. Oh, it's falling all over the face. It was just okay. It's not something I'd run out to repurchase. I also finished up this Capri Coast Becca bronzer. It's really nice. It had a little bit of a glow to it. Not like a shimmer, but like this nice satiny glow. It was very beautiful. And then, but I don't think I'd repurchase it. I have one other shade from them, but I think it's too dark, so I think I put it in my declutter pile. This Fenty Cream Bronzer in Macchiato. Look how gross it's gotten. I like this. Clearly I used a lot of it, but I do find it can tend to look a little muddy on me. So I don't know if I'd repurchase this one. I'm really liking the Milk Baked one. And then, what's the other one? I have another one that I really like. So this was nice to use, but I don't think I'll be repurchasing it. The Conditioning Primer from Benefit. Some people said that this helped their brows grow, but I did not notice that on mine. This is the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. I love this. I've gone through a couple of these actually. I think this may be the second or third one I've gone through, and it's nice. It's a very beautiful glowy primer, but not like Tin Man glow, like the perfect glow. And then this MAC blush in Stay By Me. It's kind of hard to get the last bit out. I think this was limited edition, so you can't get it, but it's just a nice like peachy color, peachy pink color. And then this Peony Stila blush. This took forever to use. Like I was scraping around there. Perfect color, so pretty. Would definitely repurchase that color again. I have the one in Lilium, which is really pretty, but this one is definitely something I'd repurchase again. All right, guys, so that is it for my empties. I hope you guys enjoyed. What are some products that you have used up lately? Let me know down in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.